So in my simple composite project folder, I can see that in my working files area, I've got my project saved off there for the moment. And back in assets, I'm wanting to go ahead and bring in this Earth image. So here it is in Photoshop. What I'm wanting to do this time is to again use the marquee tool, the elliptical marquee. So just making sure I've got that selected. Yep. And I'm wanting to select this perfect sphere, or slightly imperfect sphere, depending on your point of view. Command R brings up the rulers. What I'm wanting to do is to single click inside the top ruler. At the moment it's displaying centimeters, so I'm just control clicking inside the ruler. You know, I can have a look at pixels and so on, but mils, whatever suits you. So just popping inside the ruler, clicking and dragging down. What I want to see is a blue guide sitting across the top of the Earth, and then from the left ruler, same sort of thing. Now where these guides intersect, I'm just going to hold down the marquee, or position the marquee tool. Click and drag, and you'll see that it drags from that point. As I'm dragging across, what I'm wanting to do is hold down the Shift key to give me what's called a constrained selection. And that should give me a perfect selection around the Earth there. I'm just going to type Command colon, or semicolon, sorry, to toggle the guides on and off. And letter V for the Move tool. Now because there's a single layer in this Earth picture, I'm selected on the background, clicking and dragging appears to sort of destroy it for a second until I let go in the other image. You'll see that sort of snaps back, and we've got our Earth. Don't need to save that in our new document. Too easy. Let's we can see if we option click that layer that the transparency is complete. I've made a little bit of a mess of it. I can see around the outside edges, but that's okay for the moment. I'm going to option click again to bring those other layers back. I'm just going to free transform. We saw this a second ago. Command T. And once again, I'm going to try a slightly lower, maybe 50%. Let's give it 30%, see how 30% goes. Yep, 30%, that's good. Hitting the return key to commit that change. I'm just going to drag this layer to make a couple of copies. And let's just arrange them, selecting each layer one at a time, so we get a bit of a pattern going. In fact, what we might do is just arrange them around the corner there. I should be able to single click because of this selection option upstairs here, and you'll see that the selected layer is changing as I click onto each of those. I kind of want this guy though to sit at the top, so just making sure that I've got that right layer selected. And I'm going to type Command right square bracket. You'll see that right and left square brackets bring it up and down in the layer stack. It looks pretty good there.